If there's one watch brand that truly lives the Alpine lifestyle, it's Alpina. And for the 9th year in a row, they're back with a new collaboration celebrating one of the rawest, most demanding competitions on Earth, the Freeride World Tour. This is the 2025 Alpina Alpiner Extreme Automatic Freeride World Tour Special Edition, and it might be the most focused version yet. At first glance, this one looks familiar, but Alpina has refined it for real mountain use. The watch comes in the compact 39 by 40.5mm Alpiner Extreme case, giving it that cushion-shaped modern adventure look. The entire watch is wrapped in a monochromatic gray palette inspired by Alpine rock. Satin finish surfaces, polished edges, vertical brushing on the bezel, circular brushing on the case. It's rugged, structured, and meant to disappear under layers of technical clothing. This thing isn't just built for the mountains, it's built to live there. Where Alpina made the biggest change is on the dial. For the first time ever, the Freeride World Tour emblem isn't just printed, it becomes the pattern itself. That stylized triangular peak with the rider's descent path repeats across the dial, giving the watch real identity without overwhelming it. Applied markers and a clean, high-contrast layout keep legibility front and center, and there's even a date window at 3 o'clock for daily practicality. Inside, the watch runs on the AL525 automatic caliber, Alpina's reliable take on the Serica SW200, basically a modern clone of the classic ETA 2824. You get a 38-hour power reserve and proven reliability. The movement hides behind a solid steel caseback engraved with the Freeride World Tour motif. And yes, water resistance is a full 200 meters, making this a true year-round adventure piece. The strap is a black rubber designed to resist cold, impact, abrasion, everything you'd expect from a watch built for snowboarders dropping into near-vertical lines. A deployant clasp keeps it secure, and the rubber-clad crown ensures grip even with gloves. And here's something rare these days. This special edition is not limited. No artificial scarcity, no numbered casebacks, just a purposeful, cohesive evolution of Alpina's modern adventure watch, priced at €1695, exactly the same as the standard model. If you want a watch that feels at home on the summit and still looks sharp at sea level, this might be the Alpiner Extreme to get. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments, would you wear this Freeride Special Edition on the mountain, or is it more of a daily driver for you?